The royal singer shared a series of new pics to her IG account, including a glimpse at her Rolling Stone photo shoot with pal David Byrne. It's not often that Lorde, 24, pops up on social media. But when she does, she make it worthwhile. The New Zealand singer took to her Instagram account on Friday, October 15 to give her almost 8 million followers a rare glimpse into her personal life through the form of plenty of photos and videos, which can be seen here. The first footage Lorde shared was a behind-the-scenes pic from her and fellow singer David Byrne's photoshoot for the latest Musicians on Musicians cover story of Rolling Stone. As for the rest of the photos, they showed Lorde going about her life. In one snapshot, the superstar held up a can of Red Bull while wearing a stylish dress sitting on the grass. Lorde also snapped a selfie of herself wearing a green wig, as well as a bathroom mirror selfie at one of David's shows. In a later photo, she made a funny face in the camera while seemingly smoking something. Lorde shared some pics that didn't feature her at all, as well. She took snaps of a beautiful sunrise, a plate of food that included lettuce and beets, a tray of fruit, lily pads sitting in a pond, a bright chandelier, and a stunning sunset. The royal songstress did, however, sneak in one past photo of herself performing to a crowd for a concert. Related gallery. J.Lo, Rihanna, and more celebs on Met Gala Red Carpet 2021 photos. In the Rolling Stone story, Lorde admitted to David, 69, that even though she's a massive star, she still gets really bad stage fright. She explained, "It's a real problem that I'm trying to get on top of. I try to write something down. I tape little notes to the stage for myself, so I would go over and be able to read something that me from the past is trying to tell me from the future. But it's a real struggle." Lorde, who put out her latest studio album, Solar Power, in August, has been open before about the difficulty of navigating stardom. Last year, she said she didn't feel built for pop star life during an interview with Vogue. "I'm a highly sensitive person. I'm not built for pop star life. To have a public-facing existence is something I find really intense and is something I'm not good at," she said. "That natural charisma is not what I have. I have the brain in the jar."